Hello everyone, I welcome you all to a new lesson. My name is Madan. I am delighted to help you to learn basic Tamil. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of days, weeks, months and year in Tamil. Alright, now I will introduce the names of days, weeks, months and year in Tamil. So please listen carefully. The first one is day. Day means நாள் or நாலு in Tamil. Now we will see how the word நாலு combine with the numerals. For example, ஒரு நாலு means one day. ரெண்டு நாலு means 2 day. மூணு நாலு means 3 day. Let us look at the timeline of days. இன்னைக்கு means today. நேத்து it means yesterday. முந்தானேத்து or முந்தாநாளு means the day before yesterday. நாளைக்கு means tomorrow. நாளானைக்கு means the day after tomorrow. Next one is week. Week means வாரம் in Tamil. Let us see how the word வாரம் combine with the numerals. For example, ஒரு வாரம் means 1 week. ரெண்டு வாரம் means 2 week. மூணு வாரம் means 3 week. Now we will see the weekdays in Tamil. ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை means Sunday. திங்கட்கிழமை it means Monday. செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை Tuesday. புதன்கிழமை Wednesday. வியாழக்கிழமை Thursday. வெள்ளிக்கிழமை Friday. சனிக்கிழமை Saturday. Let us look at the timeline of weeks. இந்த வாரம் this week. போன வாரம் last week. அதுக்கு போன வாரம் the week before last. அடுத்த வாரம் next week. அதுக்கு அடுத்த வாரம் the week after next. Next one is month. Month means மாசம் in Tamil. Now we will see how the word மாசம் combine with the numerals. For example, ஒரு மாசம் 1 month. ரெண்டு மாசம் 2 month. மூணு மாசம் 3 month. Let us see the Tamil months now. Every Tamil month overlaps with 2 English months. சித்திரை, it will come in between April and May. வைகாசி, it will come in between May and June. ஆனி, June and July. ஆடி, July and August. ஆவணி, August and September. புரட்டாசி, September and October. ஐப்பசி, October and November. கார்த்திகை, November and December. மார்கழி, December and January. தை, January and February. மாசி, February and March. And பங்குனி, March and April. In modern days, most people use the English months but say them with a Tamil pronunciation. January, it called as January. February, February. March. April, May. June, July. August, September. October. November. And December. Let us look at the timeline of months. இந்த மாசம் means this month. போன மாசம் it means last month. அதுக்கு போன மாசம் the month before last. அடுத்த மாசம் next month. அதுக்கு அடுத்த மாசம் the month after next. The last one is year. Year means வருஷம் in modern spoken Tamil. Now we will see how the word வருஷம் combine with the numerals. For example, ஒரு வருஷம் means 1 year. 2 வருஷம் 2 year. 3 வருஷம் 3 year. Let us look at the timeline of years. இந்த வருஷம் this year. போன வருஷம் last year. அதுக்கு போன வருஷம் the year before last. அடுத்த வருஷம் next year. அதுக்கு அடுத்த வருஷம் the year after next. I hope you have learned the names of days, weeks, months and year in Tamil. Now you can construct simple and meaningful sentences using Tamil days, weeks, months and year. Keep talking and keep practicing. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the feedback. See you all in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. நன்றி. வணக்கம்.